Hello everybody, it is the Naughty Investor here. So we saw yesterday the markets were quite spooked by some comments by Janet Yellen. I gave my thoughts on that. Personally, I think it was just a spooking. I don't think it's going to have too much long-term, implications when it comes to price action. But in this video, I want to go over one big reason why Ethereum is very bullish in the future and why I am not selling any of my Ethereum right now. I am really hodling for a while, and why the price of Ethereum could really get a huge bump going up in the near future. And that has to do with the circulating supply of Ethereum. So let me run through the article, just this one part of it, so I could, give you that, and then I could kind of put it in my own words and make it a little bit simpler for you. So, Ether burning and predictable fees. Any action carried out on an Ethereum-based decentralized application, or DApp, or protocols are treated as transactions, which require a fee attached to them to encourage miners to process them. Right now, transaction fees are determined via an auction-style system where users who attach the highest fees to their transaction get them processed the quickest by miners. This system causes a number of issues, namely unpredictable and often extremely high fees during periods of heavy congestion. Network congestion arises whenever there's a spike in trading activity. For example, if Ethereum's price changes sharply and thousands of traders suddenly want to enter or exit the market around the same time, okay? EIP, or Ethereum Improvement Proposal 1559, put forward by your leaders of the Ethereum foundation, such as Vitalik and Ian Norden, wants to implement changes to the way Ether transaction fees are presented to users, as well as the management of Ethereum supply. EIP 1559 suggests scrapping the current auction-style fee system in favor of an algorithmically determined base price called the base fee. The base fee aims to introduce a uniform fee across all Ethereum-centric platforms and services that rises and falls depending on network activity. This means there's no more fee discrepancies between ERC20 compatible wallets, protocols, and exchanges. The EIP does, however, include an option for users to tip miners should they want their transactions processed faster. The second function of EIP 1559, and this is the more important one, and the one that will likely have the greatest impact on Ethereum's future price, is the introduction of burning Ether. Burning means completely removing tokens from existence, causing a reduction in the circulating supply. EIP 1559 plans to burn the base fee, so the vast majority of the Ether used to process transactions is destroyed as opposed to be given to network validators. The idea is this will encourage the steady deflation of Ether, which in turn should help bolster the price over time. So what's going on here? Well, to break it down for you, when you burn cryptocurrency, there's a couple ways to do it. One is they could just remove it from the supply. Sometimes they send it to an offshoot wallet that no one has access to, and that effectively is burning it. I'm not sure exactly the methodology or the method they're using to burn it, but regardless, they're going to be burning it once this gets goes through and it gets approved. And what this essentially is going to do is this will reduce the circulating supply of Ethereum, because every Ethereum transaction is going to burn a little bit of Ether. So what this effectively does is it shrinks the circulating supply, and what you have is when supply shrinks of something, price and demand goes up or stays the same. When supply shrinks, price goes up. Okay, price goes up, and if we see a congested network occur, this could actually prevent Ethereum's price from falling significantly, because as the network if it does get congested, a lot of people are exiting or entering, whatever. Let's assume a lot of people are exiting, a lot of people are selling their Ethereum. This is going to burn a lot of Ethereum and put some pressure, take some pressure away from that sell side action. So picture, let's say some crazy news comes out, everyone wants to sell Ethereum, or not everyone, a lot of people want to sell Ethereum, just theoretically, right? And they all go to the network and they start selling Ethereum. This is going to reduce the circulating supply of the Ethereum. So what happens effectively is it kind of acts as a little bit of a stopgap, because as people are selling, the supply is shrinking, and that is good for holders of Ethereum, and that could lead to kind of a stopgap in the price. Likewise, even in a bull market, when there is a lot of congestion for the opposite side, a lot of people buying Ethereum, that still is transactions, and that could also make it so it kind of acts as a little bit of a boost. So if, the Ethereum price, it was going to go up 5% on that day, maybe it goes up 10% because of the reduction in the supply of the circulating Ethereum. So hope I explained it good. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. There's a lot of reasons to be bullish on Ethereum. This is just one of them. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to, again, subscribe, leave a like, share the video. I will catch you next time. And as always, have a great day. If you're worried about big tech or big government gathering your personal information and personal data, look no further than PureVPN. Right now, using my link in the description, you could get 47% off of their 1-year deal and 70% off of their 2-year deal if you use my link in the description. Using a VPN is a great way to secure your privacy and stop hackers, intrusive governments, and large corporations from gathering your personal data against your wishes. Once again, use the link in the description if you want to get this amazing deal.